Welcome back to Storytellers, and we're back with a new weekend and a new destination.
Hello everyone, today is a Saturday afternoon. It's a sunny afternoon and our today's destination is HMT Museum, which is in Jalahalli. So it is around 25 kilometers from our home and it will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So let's start the journey.
Yes.
Yay!
Hello everyone, we are back. This time we are going to HMT Museum. HMT is, as you know, a watch company, a very old watch company. Manufacturing of this watch used to be happening in Bangalore, a vintage sort of a tour which we can do.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button. So we are ready to roll, guys.
Yes!
Yeah, let's go.
My first watch was from HMT. So I am very excited to visit it. I'm sure it will give a very vintage experience sort of. तो चलते हैं, देखते हैं. अभी तो हम लोग रास्ते में ही हैं. We are near Kiarpuram hanging bridge. We have heard that there is a tractor trip is there. So Kush is very excited because उसको ट्रैक्टर ट्रिप करना है. तो चलते हैं, हमारे साथ बने रहिए. Stay tuned with us.
Hello.
हम लोग अभी मान्यता के पास है. बेंगलोर में पूरा मेट्रो का कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है.
मान्यता के पास यहाँ पे IBM है और कौन सी कंपनी, काफ़ी सारी कंपनी. IBM,
कैपजेमिनी है, फिलिप्स है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द busiest IT hub in Bangalore, मान्यता इन्फोटेक.
एस्केलेटर से ऊपर जाओ.
Because of the lockdown, the escalator is locked, I think. When the lockdown was not there, people used to come to office regularly. That time these all were in service.
I think this kind of infrastructure is very much essential. We should have it in all this type of road crossing. The worst thing about this stretch is lot of construction is going on and a huge amount of traffic. And one thing that I really did not like is the white topping that they are doing, right? Maybe it is durable and all, but the ride is not as smooth as it used to be. It's very bumpy. इतना अच्छा एक बिल्डिंग देखो कितना सुंदर है. टावर.
ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಸರ್.
Hi, so we have reached here in the museum. It looks like a farm because we have lot of big trees over here. Kush is feeling very good because he has got lot of. If you can see him, he is trying to climb that coconut tree. There are lot of big trees. It's giving a very good feeling. We have parked our car and it is 20 rupees parking charges. So I am very excited to see. Here is a souvenir shop also which is open. So let's see. Let's go.
The ticket to this place is 30 rupees for adults, 20 rupees for children, and below 6 years it is free.
how it helped in the foundation of India. So it is a very good visual what we have watched just now. So if you are coming, just watch it. It's inside the package also.
Using the 1.1 liters in machine tools.
HMT stands for Hindustan Machine Tools. It is a manufacturing company of machine tools established in 1953. One time it was the largest watch manufacturer in India, and it was headquartered in Bangalore. In 2016, it halted all its major operations because of the heavy losses incurred as a result of mismanagement. In its heydays, it used to be the largest watch manufacturing with a heavy demand, and it was an instrumental company in India's success. It was called a jewel in one of the public sector companies of India.
I want to take home a memory. Put it inside. I am putting it inside. Me. Okay. T2. I don't know how to make it.
HMT was into tractor manufacturing, ball bearing manufacturing, dairy machinery, and watches. It was also into other industries. There is a collection of all the type of watches that HMT has till now produced.
Generally, if you come over here, there is a tractor ride which they provide here in the garden, but due to corona it is closed. And there is a small play area, so if you are coming with kids, they can play over here. I am also going to play. Bye.
This is the boarding for the tractor ride that happens. Because of the corona, it is right now stopped, but other time this is open and you can make a tractor ride over here.
कितना अच्छा लग रहा है. So many trees.
Papa, push me.
Sit down, I will do it. You have to sit down.
Fast, fast,
ওইটা ধরে থাক.
fast. Put it fast.
No, only this much only.
Okay. Now,
ये तो HMT फैक्ट्री कम और फार्म ज़्यादा लग रहा है. एंड हमारे यहाँ हमको छोड़ के यहाँ पे और कोई नहीं है. वी आर द ओनली फैमिली ओवर हियर.
Mama,
यहाँ पे देखो कितना अच्छा सा जैक फ्रूट हुआ है, कितना सारा.
Mama, I think there's a slide there. Oh, that's not a slide. Let's go there. There's a slide.
उफ, कूदना. सैटरडे एक जगह हम लोग आएंगे और जहाँ पे ज़्यादा भीड़ भाड़ ना हो और जहाँ बच्चा लेके आ सकता है. After giving this a thought, we decided this place, that HMT Museum, and what I should say, कि it was a perfect decision that we have decided. We have come here. It's very peaceful. No one is around other than us. Here is a playground is also there where your kids can enjoy. Uh, in fact, I myself is sitting on a swing and enjoying. It's completely green. Lots of trees are there, and problem is that we could not have taken the tractor ride because of COVID. It is closed. But I should say कि it's a very very good choice we have made. So peaceful over here, so peaceful. Shop. Are you going inside? Yes, let's go.
We are done with visiting the museum, and from here we plan to go to Hasharghatta Lake, which is some 15 kilometers from this place. So that video we will feature next.